Okay, so chapter 7, section 4 is dividing exponents. We have done multiplying exponents in class in 7-2. When we multiplied exponents, for example, a to the fourth times a to the second, we did what with the exponents? We added them. So a to the fourth to a to the second would be a to the sixth, okay? We add the exponents. So what do you think by naturally we would do if we were dividing exponents? For example, a to the fourth over a to the second. What's the opposite of addition? Subtraction. So what are we going to be doing when we divide exponents? Subtracting. So a to the fourth minus a to the second is a to the second. Okay? So looking at the bottom of page 439, there's 3 different examples. 2 to the 6th divided by 2 to the 2nd. Once again, you look at it, 2 to the 6th minus 2 to the 2nd is 2 to the 4th. And then x to the 4th over x to the 7th. We can go ahead and write that one down. X to the 4th divided by x to the 7th. That's division, okay? So once again, we're subtracting that. So x to the 4th minus x to the 7th would be x to the negative third. That is not simplified. We know that by now. What do you have to do to it? Put it under 1 and make it positive. So x to the negative third becomes 1 over x to the third. Okay? And then the next example on the bottom is a fraction. So you've got s to the 3/4. Oh, sorry. S to the 3/4 power over s to the 1/2 power. Okay? And s to the 3/4 minus s to the 1/2, you're just still going to subtract them, okay? But subtracting fractions, you have to have a common denominator. So on this one, you have to change 1/2 to what? 2/4. Very good. So 2/4 right here. So now you've got 5 3/4 divided by 5 2/4. You're subtracting. 5 3/4 minus 5 2/4 would give you 5 1/4. 5 to the 1/4 power. Okay? If you flip over to page 440, it gets a little more complicated. And by saying it gets a little more complicated, it's not a little harder, but it may have a longer expression instead of just one term or one variable. So if you look at problem 1, letter B, it has m to the 2nd, n to the 4th, over m to the 5th, n to the 3rd, okay? So you look at it and you see what you can subtract. Your m's you can subtract. M to the 2nd minus m to the 5th would be what? M to the negative 3rd. And n to the 4th minus n to the 3rd would be n to the 1st. Now, once again, do you see anything you need to simplify like we did on 7-1? Yes. M to the negative 3rd. How do you simplify it? Flip it and make it positive. Flip it, make it positive. And you've got your answer, my friends.